Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Fadliyah Nurul Qolbi. I'm from Nursing Study Program at Asia University, Bandung. In this video, I will explain about tips and tricks listening part B. Actually, in listening section consisting of 12 skills, but I will only explain about part B. That is skill 7, skill 8, and skill 9. Okay, here is strategies for part B listening questions. First, if you have the time, review the answers to the listening part B questions. While you are looking at the answers, you should try to anticipate the questions of the group of answers. Second, listen carefully to the first line of the conversation. The first line of the conversation often contains the main idea, subject, or topic of the conversation, and you often be asked to answer such questions. Third, as you listen to the conversation, follow along with the answers in your textbook and try to determine the correct answers. Detailed questions are generally answered in order of the conversation, and the answers often sound the same as what is said on the recording. Fourth, you should guess even if you are not sure. Fifth, use any remaining time to look ahead at the answers to questions that follow. Okay, now skill 7, the questions. In skill 7, it will be helpful if you can anticipate the question first. For example, in your textbook, you read the multiple choices. A, no more than $100. B, around $100. And C, a little more than $100. So the anticipated question is how much does it cost? Because the multiple choices is about the price. Okay, now is skill 8, the topic. Since the first 1 or 2 sentences generally give the topic, you should be asking yourself what the topic is while you are listening carefully to the first part of the conversation. For example, narrator, listen to the conversation between two students. Man, what do you think of that history exam? Woman, that was the hardest exam I ever seen. Man, and it wasn't just hard, it was long too. So you should think the topic of the conversation is very long and difficult history exam. The question is, what is the topic of the conversation 1? So the answer is history exam. Okay, now is skill 9. The order of the answers. The answers to the question in long conversations are usually found in order the conversations. So, as you listen, look at the multiple choices on your textbook and try to determine the answers by anticipating the questions. For example, narrator, question 1 and 2. Listen to 2 students on a university campus. Man, can you help me? I'm lost. Woman, sure. Where are you trying to go? Man, I have a class in Stanford Hall at 3 o'clock. I thought I knew where I was going, but I guess I was wrong. Woman, you are certainly lost. Stanford Hall is on the other side of the university. I am heading in that direction. Come on with me and I'll show you the way. Man, thanks, you're a lifesaver. Narrator, what the problem does the man have? And where is Stanfield Hall? So the first question is, what the problem does the man have? So the answer is B, he is lost, because the man says on the conversation, The man says, "Can you help me? I'm lost." So the answer is B. Question number 2. Where is Stanfield Hall? The answer is on the other side of campus. Why? Because under conversation, the woman says, Stanfield Hall is on the other side of the university. So the answer is D, on the other side of campus. Okay everyone, I think that's all from me. I hope my explanation will be useful for you. Thank you for watching and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.